you ever gotten a palette that just wasn't arranged in a way that you liked? Well, you might want to make that palette magnetic, and that's what we're going to do today. Get the palette you want to hack, adhesive magnet sheets, very strong glue, and some very thin, sturdy tools. Finally, you will want a hot plate of some kind. The first thing you're going to want to do is to depot the palette with the hot plate. Remove all the glue from the back of the pans, put the magnet stickers on the bottom, and put them in a safe place. The next thing you're going to do is put the palette back on the hot plate, soften all the glue, and then you're going to lift the tray with the wells out of the palette and separate it from the sleeve. We're going to be peeling away the paper that wraps around the back of the palette. Very carefully heat the glue, get your thin spatula, slide it underneath the paper, and very carefully lift it up. You should be able to see 3 layers of cardboard that make up the palette. Heat up the glue and slide our thin tool, our palette knife, in between the last 2 layers of cardboard and remove the back or the bottom of that palette. We are replacing that layer of cardboard that we just pulled off with our magnet. Take your strong glue, spread it around the bottom of the wells, and then glue those wells to the magnet. Then you take the pieces of paper that you folded off of the tray before and just fold them back down and around. Take your strong glue again, put it in different points on the bottom of our new tray and glue it back into the palette. Once you're done with that, you can slide the pans back in and you're all done. Now you're free to arrange this palette any way that you want to, and you get to maintain the original packaging. I hope all of that was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions or comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.